The next thing to do before this turns into a machine is put the legs on it. Owner's manual, clerk's list calls these bench ends. What I need to do that is a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. That's the large Phillips, and a 7/16 open end box end wrench, and the hardware bag. Half of the screws are used on this end, half on that end. What I do over here, I'll repeat over there. So, to begin with, this slides inside the casting, and you'll have to compress it slightly to get it to fit. I like to push everything towards the center of the machine. That lets the holes line up better. I'll take a couple of screws out of the bag. Keep one on this side. After you put the 2 screws in, add a nut to each screw. Then use the wrench and screwdriver to tighten. With the wrench and the screwdriver. Putting these 2 screws in first helps with the alignment of the other 3 screws that hold this leg to the base casting. I will continue to assemble. These can be just finger tight for now. Nuts go on the inside. The last one to go in is the center screw. Now I'll take that 7/16 wrench on the inside, number 3 screwdriver on the outside, tighten all 5 pieces of hardware securely. When all is done, this line here all the way around between the base casting and the leg should be straight and even. That way, that proves that the leg's on square and your machine will sit squarely onto the floor. Now that this is assembled on this side, we need to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Same tools, same procedure. Now that I've got everything tight, now's the ideal time to put on your caster wheels if you've got them. Your machine's already upside down. You won't have to get your neighbor out to help you turn it over later time after you've ordered the casters. It's also a good time to add the universal storage shelf here in the front of the machine to organize all your pieces and parts. Now that all this work is done with the machine turned upside down, it's time to roll it over. I need a helper. Come on in, help me roll this over. You'll need the helper as well. So gently roll it over. Don't drop the machine. Set it down. Now, if your caster wheels land on the floor, which they probably will, you want to rotate them so that they're off the floor and the machine won't scoot. Then you and your helper grab the table and pick up and roll it right side up, just like that. Now it's ready to go.